Comrade Chairman, Benjamin, Comrade Secretary, Dr. Juba, SPLM members, SPLM Oye, SPLM Oye, Arizona Oye, South Sudan Oye. First and foremost, and a mind day update to give you, because you people of diaspora, I think you guys know everything more than us. Because sometimes we wake up and read on the Facebook and then you're like, where is this happening? And somebody from America will agree with you and say, it is in Juba. And you say, no, it's not in Juba. It's like, why, are you McQueen right now? Never mind, you continue. So I would like just to take this brief opportunity to salute our martyrs of the army struggle that started way before May 16. But because we're celebrating May 16th, I would like to salute the commanders and the soldiers, the known and the unknowns that sacrifice their lives so we can have a country called South Sudan today. And the top of them is our late leader, Dr. John Garang, and his brother, Carbino Kwanyin Bowles, William Nyon Bany, Arok Ton Arok, Nyachigag Nyachuluk, Peter Panom Pampain, and all others, and Gloria Modi, and all other commanders that sacrifice with their dear blood so we can have the country. Also, we'd like to take the opportunity to salute Mia Arba, Mia Hamsa battalions, because without them, May 16 will not be there. And then from there, we also salute all the heroes and heroines and unseen heroes of Koreoms, and more, and all the other battalion of the SPLA and Katiba Banad also. We should not forget that the women play their big roles in the army struggle of South Sudan. So we take this opportunity, we salute them, we honor their sacrifice, and we also don't forget to salute the mothers and the orphans and the widows of the heroes, because these people also have sacrificed a lot by losing their husbands or their kids during the war times, and have to raise their family without their husband. So our salute also go to widows and the orphanage, the kids that grow up without knowing their fathers or their mothers because of this struggle, and because to have the country called South Sudan today. So from the bottom of my heart, I